Looking to renovate your bathroom without emptying your wallet? Here are 10 simple and budget-friendly ideas to give your bathroom a fresh new vibe. First up, a coat of paint can work wonders. Opt for light, inviting colors, and don't forget the cabinets. Consider revamping your vanity inexpensively by changing hardware or applying a new finish. Adding some greenery, whether real or fox, can breathe life into your space without a hefty price tag. Upgrading fixtures like faucets and shower heads can modernize your bathroom instantly. New towels, shower curtains, and rugs are small additions that make a big impact. Improved lighting with LED bulbs or affordable fixtures can transform the ambience. Peel and stick tiles offer a quick and cost-effective update. Refresh your tiles by regrouting and sealing them. It's a detail that matters. Utilize storage solutions like floating shelves or baskets to declutter and revamp the space. Lastly, affordable artwork or mirrors can add personality and depth. Try these tips and give your bathroom the makeover it deserves, all without breaking the bank.